Hello and welcome. You are listening to English with Mia and Leo. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Welcome, friend.
Today is special. Why?
Because today, we talk about something amazing. How to make your brain think in English. Not translate. Not worry. Just think.
Yes, many students learn English, but they still translate in their head. They think in their language, then translate to English. That takes time. Too much time.
Exactly. So today, no translation. We train your brain. Like a muscle.
I love that. A brain muscle.
But before we start, we need your help.
Yes, a small favor. If this video helps you, please do 3 things for us.
Number 1, click the like button. That tells YouTube, this video is good. Show it to more people.
Number 2, subscribe to our channel, so you never miss a new listening practice.
And number 3, share this video with one friend. One friend who is learning English. Text them the link.
That helps your friend, and it helps us make more free videos for you.
Okay?
Okay, now, let's begin. Take a slow breath. Ready?
Ready. So, Mia, question. When you speak English, do you translate?
I used to. Long time ago. I thought, okay, in my language, I say, I am hungry. Then I think, how do I say that in English? Then, I am hungry.
That's slow, right?
So slow and tiring.
Yes, very tiring. So why do we translate? Because we are scared. We want to be perfect.
Oh yes, perfect. We think, if I don't translate, maybe I make a mistake.
But mistakes are good.
Really?
Really. Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean your brain is learning.
So, the first step to thinking in English is...
Stop being afraid of mistakes.
That's beautiful. So today, try something. When you listen to us, don't translate in your head. Just feel the words.
Yes. Feel. Like music. You don't translate music, right?
No, you feel it.
Same with English. First you feel, then you think, then you speak.
Okay, so how do we start? How do we train the brain?
I have 3 simple ways.
Tell us, please.
Number 1. Think about your morning. In English.
Ah, I like that.
Example. You wake up. You don't say in your language, I wake up. You say in English, inside your head, slow. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I feel the sun.
I feel the sun. That's beautiful and very easy.
Yes. Small words, small sentences. Every morning. 2 minutes.
2 minutes, not 2 hours. Very possible.
Possible for everyone. Even busy people.
So tip 1, morning thoughts in English?
Yes. Now tip 2. Tip 2. Name everything around you.
Like, now?
Yes, right now. Look around. I see a microphone.
I see a chair. I see a window. I see a plant. Green plant.
Beautiful. Now, make a sentence.
The plant is green. The window is big. The microphone is black.
You see? You are thinking in English, not translating, just seeing and saying.
Wow, that feels good.
It feels free, right?
Yes, free.
So, do this everywhere. In the kitchen, cup, plate, spoon. The spoon is small. In the bus, window, seat, person. The person is reading.
But don't say it loud. People will think you are strange.
Yes, inside your head. Silent English.
Silent English. I love that name.
So tip 1, morning thoughts. Tip 2, name everything. Now tip 3.
I'm curious.
Tip 3, describe what you are doing right now in English.
Okay, now I am. I am sitting. I am talking to you. I am smiling. I am breathing.
Perfect. You are thinking in English.
It's so simple. Why don't more people do this?
Because nobody told them. Nobody said, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need small daily practice.
So, small daily practice.
Small, daily, easy.
Even 1 minute?
Even 30 seconds. Your brain learns slowly, like a seed.
A seed? You water it every day.
Yes. 1 minute of thinking in English is water for your brain.
Okay, but Leo, thinking is one thing, speaking is another. How does thinking help speaking?
Ah, good question. When you think in English, you prepare your mouth.
Prepare the mouth?
Yes, your mouth is a muscle too. If you think, I want water, then your mouth already knows the sounds. I want water.
So thinking is practice for speaking.
Exactly. Think first, then speak. The words come faster.
I remember my teacher said, slow thinking makes fast speaking.
Wow, that's beautiful. Slow thinking makes fast speaking. Yes.
So don't rush.
Never rush. Be slow. Be clear. Imagine a friend is listening. A kind friend.
I like that. Not a judge. A friend.
Yes, you are your own friend.
Okay, so let's practice together. Right now, I will say a sentence in my head. Then say it loud.
Perfect. Let's do it. You go first.
Okay, I'm happy to learn English today. This video is helping me.
Yes. Now you listener, you try. Think in English for 5 seconds. Then say one sentence loud. Even if nobody is listening. It's for you. We wait.
Did you try? Good. That is brave.
Brave. Learning a language is brave.
You know, Leo, I remember words more when I feel something.
Yes. Emotion helps memory. If you're happy, sad, excited, curious, your brain says, this is important. Keep it.
So, when you learn a word, feel it.
Example, the word cozy. Imagine a warm blanket, hot tea, rain outside. Feel cozy. Now your brain will never forget cozy.
Same with tired.
Oh, tired. Close your eyes. Heavy arms. Slow breathing.
Tired.
You see? Emotion plus word equals memory.
So, when you think in English, add a feeling.
Yes. Don't just think, it is cold. Think, it is cold. I don't like cold. I feel cold.
One more thing, repetition.
Some people think repetition is boring.
But it's not. Repetition is how a baby learns. Mama, mama.
Yes. Babies repeat hundreds of times.
So, repeat your English sentences.
But don't repeat the same way. Change one word.
Example?
I see a bird. Then, I see a blue bird. Then, I see a blue bird outside my window.
Same sentence, but bigger.
Yes. That is smart repetition.
You can do this in your head, on the bus, in the shower.
In the shower? That's my favorite classroom.
Shower English.
Yes. The water falls. You think? The water is warm. I like warm water. I feel relaxed.
Wow. You are a poet, Leo.
No, I just practice. Every day. Small moments.
So let's remember together.
Number 1. Morning thoughts in English. 2. Name everything around you. 3. Describe what you are doing.
4. Add emotion to your words. 5. Repeat with small changes.
And most important, don't be perfect. Be present.
Be present. That means be here. Now. With us.
Your brain will learn. Slowly, then faster. Trust the process.
You are doing great. Yes, you. The person listening right now.
You are not bad at English. You're just training.
So keep going. One thought, one word, one feeling.
And before you go, please help us.
Yes. Click like if this video helped you.
Subscribe to our channel.
And share this video with one person. One friend, one family member, one classmate. Send them this link.
That small action changes everything. For them, for us, for this channel.
Thank you for listening. Really, from our hearts.
You are not alone. We are here.
See you next time. Keep thinking in English. Bye-bye.